Today is my schedule for cleaning the glass window in the balcony. And the balcony is so dirty. There's so many poops of the bird. I need to clean inside first before outside. Outside is more dirty than inside. Inside is easy to clean. But outside there's so many poops of the bird. It's hard to clean. It's a sandstorm outside the house. It's dusty. Maybe that's why no kids down the building. They're not going out because of the sandstorm. Here in UAE, the sun is the one became storm. But in the Philippines, it's a rain. Water, here is the sun. And so in the Philippines, always flooded. It's always have storm in rain, very hard, turning very hard. Here, the storm is the sun. Sun in the dust. It's so dusty. Oh, we're not here yet.